Hey guys, so today in this video, I'll be showing you guys how to get PokeMMO on iOS and Android. So this is a game, it's really cool. It's like Pokemon Online, old style graphics, but let's get into the video. So first thing is go to matrixmods.com, find the PokeMMO, press on it, press download. Now before it downloads is going to be a verification. So this is the last step. So basically, you just want to download two apps, follow the instructions. It's 100% for free from official app store. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait. So as you can see, it says missing files. So you just want to download some of these apps. So like Travel Town says reach level 9. So I just press continue. Takes me to the app store, download it, play it, reach level 9. Now I'm not sure what apps are in your country. I'm in the US, but if you're somewhere else, just do what it says. I mean, it's that easy. And you can see right here we got tons of apps. So we got like Mode Casino. Then we got this Just Play one. You got to play 2 games. So yeah, this is super cool, guys. So if you guys are in the market for this stuff, you've got to try it out. But yeah, this is fully working. So I mean, I have tried a number of these modded PokeMMO iOS download sites, and this is the only one I can recommend, guys. So be sure to get the word out. But yes, super awesome. So yeah, no problems there. Works on iOS, works on Android. So that's the website, guys, matrixmods.com. So be sure to try it out. Just make sure you download 2 of these apps and you're going to be good to go. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel, guys, because this is fully working and you can actually get PokeMMO on your device. So yeah, it's super cool, guys. So you just have to download 2 of these apps. It doesn't have to be the same ones as me. But yeah, this is so cool, guys. As you can see, I got PokeMMO right there. So I mean, you literally just have to download like 2 of them, guys. It doesn't have to be the same ones as me. But yeah, it's super cool, guys. So be sure to try it out. I mean, it actually works for iOS and Android, guys. So that's so cool. So yeah, I mean, if you like Pokemon and stuff like that, then definitely go ahead and try it out. You can see right here, it can actually play it. So yeah, it's super cool. So I haven't had any problems with it at all. So I bet that's going to be the same case for you. But this is how to get PokeMMO, guys, on iOS and Android. So make sure you got that background refresh turned on. You're going to be good to go. You got the low power mode shut off. But other than that, it should be all set. So definitely try it out, guys. This is super cool. I haven't had any issues with it at all. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to tell your friends about it. It's super cool. And yeah, it's just pretty wild. So yeah, I mean, I've tried a couple other methods, but this is the only one I can actually say works. So a lot of them are fake, So this one is pretty cool. So definitely go ahead and try it out. I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, if you want to get PokeMMO, just make sure you download 2 of the apps and you're going to be all set. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel. I mean, this is super cool, guys, because it's fully updated. So I'm going to see you in another one. Subscribe, tell your friends, enjoy the content, and peace out, my gang.